Welcome to Bercana Med Spa. In our spa, we have various cosmetic procedures such as Botox, fillers, microneedling, PRP injections, chemical peels, IV infusions. I want to start by talking about Botox. The Botox we use, Botox is neurotoxin that helps relax the muscle around the face area. Typically, we use the Botox around the forehead, the glabella, which is between the eyebrows, and around the eyes to help decrease the wrinkles around those areas. The Botox, when we inject the Botox, it takes few days, several days, 3 to 7 days to start seeing the effect. The effect is not immediate. It takes time until the Botox starts working. Actually, when we inject the Botox, what it does, it binds to the receptors in the muscle, and this helps to inhibit the function of the muscle. So this way it relaxes it. So then we see the beautiful effect of relaxed face. Botox by Allergan, it's one of the best neurotoxins because it's first company that was based here in US, and they use it everywhere. It's FDA approved. Compared to other brands, it's one of the most reliable and therapeutic. What are the advantages of Botox? Botox we can use in a therapeutic way, such as for people that have migraines. We can actually inject it in the forehead and in the jaw, so that helps with the migraines. Also in the temple area. So that helps relax the muscles, so it will decrease the tightness around this area on the nerves and will help with the pain. People that have TMJ, we typically inject it in the jaw corner, and then that helps also reduce the amount of tension they will get at night when they sleep in because they're grinding their teeth. We can also use it in the nose area for bunny lines when we smile. So those tiny lines that you see when you smile on the nose, you see it on the nose. Around the lips for gummy smile, we can use it, so that actually reduce the amount of the lip. It reduces the amount of the lift the lip gets when the patient smiles, so you will not have gummy smile. Another area we can use it's those downward the marionette lines. It's like corners of the mouth going down, so the mouth looks like sad little bit. So we use it there, just 2 units each side, and the patient can look much happier. And because some patient comes to me and they say, "Oh, I look," people say, "I look mad," or "I look sad." So Botox helps to create those better results for the patient to have like more rested face, more relaxed, more happy. Now we're going to talk about fillers. So what is it, filler? Filler, it's actually hyaluronic acid gel that we already have in our tissue in the face, and we actually, when we inject in it, we filling up the space that we had a loss of volume, because with aging, the volume, our collagen, with aging, the collagen production decreases, so that's why we see those lines and loss of volume and bone. So actually the hyaluronic acid filler helps to fill up this volume and helps restore the volume and create beautiful results. For example, Voluma we apply in the cheeks because it creates more of a lifting effect and create this nice bone cheek appearance. And then when you apply makeup, you can even see this. It's really like nice and high cheekbones. Another filler we can apply in marionette lines, which is the lines around the mouth area that helps with loss of collagen there as well. We can apply around the nose, nasolabial folds, which also known as smile lines, which we fill up with the hyaluronic acid gel. Creates also beautiful results. We can apply it in the jawline to make the jaw more sharp and more skinnier look. We can apply it in the chin to balance the profile of the face. We can apply it in the lips to create beautiful full lips, or just give it a little bit of a moisturized look, little bit of a plump. We can also apply it in the temples area, because the temple has lots of volume loss with aging. Under eyes, especially for patients that have hollowness around the eyes, like in the under eye area. So we apply there the filler, and actually can create more rested and youthful look. So people will stop asking if you are tired or if you are sad, because with our eyes, we can see everything in our eyes. So it's very important to correct it so we look rested and beautiful. Now we're going to talk about the PRP. So what is it, PRP? PRP is the platelet-rich plasma that we draw blood from a patient, and then we spin it in a machine called centrifuge, and it separates the red blood cells from the platelets. Then we inject those platelets in a form of cold liquid plasma. We inject it into a patient face. For instance, for patient has darkness under eyes, we can inject it there. It helps restore the area, remodel the area, and create also collagen. So we inject it underneath the skin in various areas, under eyes, or in other areas where there's like smile lines. We can do smile lines, we can do in the cheeks, everywhere where they need to restore the volume. So PRP is really great because it's natural. It's for people that don't want to use filler, or they want to combine it with filler. For example, usually filler doesn't help with darkness under eyes, and PRP does help, and help also with collagen production. So PRP is a great choice for someone that wants natural results and go natural way. They don't like the filler, and they want to get rid of the darkness, the dark circles under eyes. We can also microneedle it in the skin with a microneedle and put topical the PRP. That helps with overall skin appearance and helps speed up the process of healing and stimulates collagen. The PRP contains lots of healing factors. It attracts the healing factors to the area, and this way it helps regenerate the area and produce lots of collagen, and will look so beautiful at the end of the procedure. It usually takes 3 treatments to start seeing results 6 weeks apart.